And here we have the installation of Mannington Luxury Sheet Vinyl. The style is Muir's Point in the platinum quality, which is the highest quality. What we had to do to the existing vinyl floor, we skim coated over it, as you can see here, to fill in any embossing and smooth out the floor, so the sheet vinyl, the old sheet vinyl, doesn't show through on the new one when it gets laid down. You can see here it is completely done, and now the installation has begun. Opening the material, making general cuts and release cuts, and get ready for the final cut-in. And here we have where the duct tape, you see it, that's where the seams were made, were basically totally invisible. This section here and back there has to be seen because the length of the kitchen is 26 feet long by about just under 12 feet wide. And again, you see the seams there. And here's a picture of the completed kitchen, completely installed, all with moldings under the cabinets, doorway thresholds, and you can see how beautiful it goes with the cabinets in this ceramic 1-foot square tile look. So this completes this installation. If you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other videos of other categories of flooring installed. And while you're in YouTube, we appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.